Learned helplessness describes a condition where a person feels unable to change or escape a bad situation, even when they can. This idea was first studied by a psychologist named Martin Seligman in the 1960s. How learned helplessness happens. It usually starts with repeated negative experiences. When people face difficult situations they cannot control, they may start to believe they are powerless. For example, if a student keeps failing math tests despite studying hard, they might start to believe they can never pass, no matter what they do. Animals can also experience learned helplessness. In Seligman's experiments, dogs were placed in a situation where they received mild electric shocks they couldn't escape. Over time, the dogs stopped trying to avoid the shocks, even when they were later given a chance to escape. They had learned to feel helpless. Effects of learned helplessness. Learned helplessness can affect people in many ways. It can lead to depression, anxiety, and low self-esteem. People might stop trying new things because they believe they will fail. They might also have trouble making decisions, thinking, why bother? It won't make a difference. In school, learned helplessness can make students feel stuck. They might think they can never understand a subject, so they stop trying. This can lead to poor grades and even more feelings of helplessness. Recognizing learned helplessness. It's important to recognize the signs of learned helplessness. Here are some things to look for. Giving up easily. Someone who gives up after a small setback might be experiencing learned helplessness. Lack of effort. They might stop putting in effort because they believe it won't matter. Negative self-talk, saying things like, I'm not good enough, or I can't do this, can be a sign. Avoiding challenges. They might avoid trying new things because they fear failure. Overcoming learned helplessness. The good news is that learned helplessness can be overcome. Here are some ways to help. Build confidence. Encourage small successes. Completing small tasks can help build confidence. Celebrate these successes to show that effort can lead to positive results. Positive thinking, challenge negative thoughts, replace them with positive ones. Instead of thinking, I can't do this, try thinking, I can learn to do this. Set goals, set small, achievable goals. This helps create a sense of progress and control. Seek support, talk to friends, family, or a counselor. They can provide support and encouragement. Learn from mistakes. Understand that mistakes are part of learning. Instead of seeing them as failures, see them as opportunities to improve.